Good morning, my dear children. Today we learn about tux paint. Tux paint is a technique for creating sketch, for creating color books, for making posters, etc. For the tux paint, download it from www.tuxpaint.com on your computer, on your laptop, or even on your phones also. When you download, this type of screen will be appear. Now here you can draw various things by using tux paint. So let's learn various icons of a tux paint. So this is a brush is used for painting. It is used for paint anything. Then we have a stamp, then we have various shapes, lines, text, labels, fill for filling the color, and eraser for erase anything. Then we have a magic. From here you can select any magic. You can darken, take from here, you can darken this, you can take L, whatever you want to. Now erase, you can erase this. Suppose we want to draw something, we have choose a paint brush, then color yellow, we draw something like this. This is a sunflower. This is a sunflower. You can draw anything. Suppose I erase this, I want to draw something else. I want to draw a line, then click on a lines and take the color. Suppose I have taken a red color and create something. Suppose I have taken a line, and this line can be used for various shapes. Whatever you want to draw. I have drawn a line. Same way you can take the shapes also. First erase this. You can take shapes from clicking on the shape button. Various shapes are given here. You can take a square, you can take a circle, you can take a rectangle or circle shapes. Various shapes are given. Pentagon. Choose a color for this. You can increase the size also like this. If you want to do a black color, like this, you can choose various shapes. Same way you can take a text from here. You can type anything which you want to type here. Now you want to fill a color, click on the fill basket, click on the color, which color you want. You can fill like this. You want to erase this, I have erased everything. You can take a paint of various shapes. अब यहाँ से आप you can choose the shape of a paint. Suppose I have chosen this color and this color. Now click on the magic and blur. You can blur this. You can choose fish eyes. You can flip it from magic. Edges, you can draw edges also like this. Flower, you can take a flowers from magic. I have taken a flowers. Then you also take a foam. This is a foam. I have taken a foam from there. Then you want to take a grass. I have grown a grass here. Now if you want to suppose you want to take a lighten. We have taken a lighten also. You can navigate this. You can choose any. Suppose I have taken a rainbow. This is a rainbow. Erase this. You can erase by using an eraser. Again click on the magic and choose a rainbow. This is a rainbow. You can fill a color in this here in back. So this is a tux paint. You can draw various shapes. If I want to take a stamp, click on the stamp. I have taken a stamp here. This is a stamp. So you can draw various shapes and sketches. Even you can draw posters. You can make sceneries by using a Tux Paint. You can also use Tux Paint on your mobile phones. Just download from the Play Store. You can download Tux Paint from the Play Store, or you can use your Tux Paint on computers. So this is the Tux Paint. Thank you, students.